Have you ever wanted to read more books but just don't have the time? Books. Imagine finishing an entire book in minutes without skipping the main ideas. Well, thanks to AI, that's now totally possible. In this video, I'll show you 3 free AI tools that can summarize any book instantly and save you hours of reading time. Let's jump right in. Tool 1. ChatGPT Free, chat.openai.com. Yes, even the free version of ChatGPT can summarize books, and it does it surprisingly well. Just copy a short portion of the book, or even a chapter, and type, "Summarize this chapter in key points." You'll get a clear, structured summary with main ideas, character insights, and even takeaways. If you're using a long book, try breaking it into smaller parts before summarizing for better results. Perfect for students and readers who want fast notes. Tool 2. Scholarcy, scholarcy.com. This one is designed specifically for summarizing academic papers, research, and books. Simply upload a PDF or paste a book excerpt, and Scholarcy will instantly highlight key sections, generate summaries, and even create flashcards of the main points. It's great if you're studying or reviewing nonfiction books. The free version already gives you a ton of value, no sign-up needed. Tool 3. TLDR This, TLDRthis.com. As the name suggests, this tool is built for those who want things short and sweet. Paste any text or link, even a book summary from a website, and it instantly gives you a concise version with bullet points. You can choose between short summary and detailed summary modes, depending on how much information you want. It's fast, clean, and doesn't require creating an account. Bonus tip: if you have the full book in text or PDF format, you can combine these tools. For example, use TLDR This for quick ideas, and ChatGPT for deeper explanations. This combo can help you learn faster and smarter, especially if you're preparing for exams or writing reports. So there you have it. 3 amazing AI tools that help you summarize books instantly without paying a cent. Whether you're a student, researcher, or just a curious reader, these tools can save you time while keeping your brain full of great ideas. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.